numbers is going to represent how many groups you have. And then the other number is going to represent what? How many in each group. Okay, so what do you want to have first?
I was thinking of we have 14 baskets of 5 skateboards in each or something like that.
Okay. And in we could even do boxes, because boxes is probably a better thing for skateboards to come in. So we could do that. So you could say I have 14 boxes, and then you could put I have
5 skateboards
in each box. Perfect. Who's going to write? Go for it, Doug.
14
Yep, that's just one sentence. Out of 14 boxes, then what was your next sentence?
And 5 in each.
There are
5 in each.
Okay, there are 5 what?
Skateboards.
Okay. Are you already visualizing what that would look like? If you had 14 boxes set up. There are 5 skateboards. Okay. Okay, so that's your second sentence. Now what's your question going to be?
How many skateboards are there?
Okay, how many skateboards are there in all? That'd be great. Make sure that your story ends with a question. Anthony, you gotta work as a group. One of your partners. So make sure he agrees with your story. So go ahead and share what you wrote. What did you say? Okay, and then what's your question?
What are you going to say? You have 23 football more than 14 and how many games do you have?
That'll be fine.
Does it make sense? Because she had
Our strategy
90.
could be with the hardware whole box.
So this we just figured out.
Okay, that's going to be where you're going to use one of our strategies that we've talked about, or maybe you have a strategy that you like to use that we didn't share.
Well, maybe
We used it, Kelly.
no.
Do you think you can do that?
14.
Okay.
5.
Okay.
A
So
better way to do it, or I think a better way to do it, we could use the hardware whole box
We'll
and
do our own strategy.
well, why don't you talk through your strategy, and then Wyatt can talk through his, and then you guys can see which answer do you think is most reasonable.
I think I should put 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 14 times.
Okay.
Well, I'm not saying that's a bad strategy, but I'm saying that a faster strategy would to use the part for a whole box.
Why don't we do this? We'll put 2 separate areas. Doug can try his out here, and then when he's done and he's kind of shared it with you, then you can share your strategy with him.
Okay.
Just draw some.
It is really quiet. You got shocked. 15 packs of earrings and 12 earrings on each one.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your question?
How many pack pairs of earrings was there?
Here's how many pairs of earrings are there. Okay, so make sure it's and make sure you put as much as you can. So 23 people in each class.
I know it would be great something to help out. And he's ready
No, it's not. No way.
I have 20 Okay, so when you're taking out your hardware folder,
7 years.
and we have, thinking about this, and we have how many groups and how many in each group. Does that fit?
Okay, this stuff enough?
Do you have 23 groups? Okay. So let me ask you this, Alan, and I know Mason's kind of the one that keeps bringing this up. Last week he said it doesn't matter which order that you have the numbers. So do you think it would be okay if we had how many in each group first, how many in each group, and how many groups there are? Would that still work?
Yeah, because it's time and it's fun.
Okay. I'm curious to see what your picture is going to look like, because your picture has to represent what you have here.
This.
Well, your picture down here, like my picture's for the apples.
This.
So I want you to think about what your picture's going to look like.
And then
This one.
10 times 20.
Well, yeah, that's good.
I got 7.
Okay.
Okay, I'll show you.
What do you think? How come you have a crazy face like that? What are you noticing, Wyatt? Okay. Okay, first let me ask you, is this a plus or a multiplication sign? Into a 10 plus a 4?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I want to do, I want to do it like this. Okay? Now, how did you get 20? Because you wanted to break this up, correct?
5.
Is 20, okay.
20. And then, it would be 10 times 5.
Okay, and how much would that be?
You've done all the work so far, like
Okay.
the picture. And actually you have to have 2 strategies, so he can even do a strategy because you wrote the rest of it.
Okay. Now is this a multiplication or an addition sign? Okay.
No, that's not the picture. No,
Okay. So Doug, do you agree with that strategy?
this is right. This is the
Yeah.
strategy.
You do. So I want to know what your picture's going to look like. How are you going to represent that as a picture?
Mason, draw the picture.
That was 20 and 91.
Where's your pencil at? Did it break?
Plus 50.
Go sharpen that one. Right.
And then you can do 5. So I gotta put a 1 and say more.
What do you have? 2. So write small. No, there's 2 strategies. She showed 3. Got it?
Well, put 5 and then 5.
Yeah, just like
But then mine would have to be. Oh, we gotta do this 14 times. We'll make that box a little smaller so we can fit 14 in there. Oh, you made $5 there. How about you do the picture?
That's a really good strategy.
I do the writing.
Try to draw nice so you can read it, Alan, okay?
Using your answers 100. Okay, so you did you what? You used the strategy on the first one that we did? Okay. Now could you tell me the second strategy?
I did 5. So you might 15.
Okay, great.
That was wonderful.
Are you writing 14 in there? Oh.
I'll do that for sure.
You gotta do that 5 times.
Really strategy.
Box around even.
This is your strategy.
Okay, that's nice that you were doing. Okay. Okay, so you're right.
That's all we need to do. And then should we do 10, 20, 30, 10? More detail.
10 is like 2.
Adding down.
You were making this
like what we could do.
That's actually really good to make sure that you're checking to make sure. I was talking to the.
Yeah, that's all.
You got 322. You got 320 both got the same size.